Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare ma'am versus sir lecture in college. We'll dive into the fascinating world of college instruction, examining how different teaching styles can shape your learning journey. We'll explore common student perceptions and experiences, aiming to understand what truly makes a lecture effective. Our goal is to provide a balanced perspective, helping you appreciate the unique strengths each type of instructor brings to the classroom, ultimately enhancing your educational experience. Female lecturers, often referred to as ma'am, frequently bring a nurturing and supportive energy to the classroom. Students often find them highly approachable, making it easier to ask questions and seek clarification without hesitation. This can lead to a more comfortable learning environment, especially for those who might be shy. Their feedback is often perceived as incredibly thorough, providing clear pathways for improvement, which can significantly boost student understanding and performance. Male lecturers, commonly known as sir, often excel at delivering information with a direct and focused approach. Many students appreciate their ability to cut straight to the core of a topic, making complex subjects feel more manageable. They frequently encourage robust discussions, pushing students to think critically and develop their own solutions. This style can foster a strong sense of academic rigor and independence, preparing students for advanced challenges in their chosen fields. Ultimately, the better lecturer, whether ma'am or sir, is subjective and depends heavily on individual student learning styles and the specific subject matter. Both male and female instructors bring invaluable strengths to the college environment, from empathetic guidance to direct, challenging instruction. The true richness of a college education often comes from experiencing a variety of teaching approaches, allowing students to adapt and thrive in diverse academic settings. It's about finding the right fit for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.